angle that looks best at. I want to be sure I got Kendall's head.
No, I can scoot and see. I can actually scoot over here.
Okay.
See if I need to.
Okay. How's that look?
It's perfect. I know. I'm sure I can barely see over the table because I'm on a tall chair. So.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
Okay.
Okay. Well, all right. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. We're gonna start now.
Wait for it.
Well, hi. Welcome to Lena's Needlecrafts, and this is Lena, and I have my two granddaughters today, Tristan and Kendall. Hi, girls.
Hi.
And today's Paradise Mystery Bag is December 2024. And isn't that a pretty bag? That's blue with stars, and it's got stars, and it's got all kinds of things in the universe. So we'll see what's in it. Might have something to do with stars. We never know.
So the sky?
Yeah, that looks like sky, don't it? Yellow and blue. Wow, we might get some yellow and blue. We never know though when we open the bag. You want to do the honors and open the bag, honey?
Sure. Do I this way?
Yeah.
Or do I like cut
Just
it
go
out?
ahead and. There we go. Okay. And let's look at our cards and see what they say. So, anyway. They're talking about Aurora Borealis. Wow, look at that. That looks neat. And then they showed, and there's four different colors in here. Wow, look at that.
So we kind of were right. It's about the sky.
The sky, right. And we'll talk about the colors, and we'll talk about our 4 ounces and different. Anyway, we'll discuss each color and what kind of yarn it is. It looks like merino and silk, Tessa silk. So that's pretty neat. And here you can see the process. They're showing carding it, making rolags and things like that. So see that? And see, that's a rolag there. And there they're putting it on a blending board on this. That's where they put the different colors and they blend it in, and then they roll it up and makes a rolag. And there they're pulling it, drawing it, like I was telling you earlier, and there they're spinning it. So, there's a lot that goes into processing yarn. You want good yarn. And this month they're offering 15% off for Paradise Fiber members and blending boards, 15% off. Wow. So let's go ahead and look and see what we have. And this month's project is an Alaska hat by Camille Discote. I can't pronounce her last name. Discotio.
TX.
But it's they blended it, and they're making they wanted to the night sky. They did the bottom part, make it look darker, and the upper part a little lighter. You can see what they're doing there, and he's focused on blending. He used a blending board, or she did, and focused on blending the greens and pink silk. Wow.
It's
So
probably green and pink.
yeah, probably is. So let's go ahead. We'll open it up. You want to do the honors and open that one? That's pretty, isn't it? Got stars on it. Oops. See, it has stars on that bag.
Yeah, with a moon it looks like.
Wow, that's pretty.
Wow, this is a pretty bag.
That's the cyclamen silk. It's a half an ounce.
Very soft.
Isn't that very soft? Wow.
It's
soft.
like this. It's fuzzy and long.
There. See that? That's so pretty. Pretty pink.
What's that made out of?
Silk. Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Yeah, and silkworms.
What is silkworms?
They spun the silk.
Oh. There's so much. It's all over the bags.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, let's see our next one. Here you go. That's a pretty green chartreuse.
The bag looks like it's green too.
Oh yeah, green bag. Aren't that nice? I love the bags that come with
Looks
these.
like the Grinch. Yeah.
Looks doesn't it?
It looks like the
Grinch.
Grinch.
And there's the chartreuse. I'd like to make a frog out of it myself.
Or like Kermit the Frog.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen Kermit the Frog?
Yeah. That's pretty. So that's a half an ounce. And it's your turn again, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go. And that's called the Luna Moth Multi Merino.
That one looks pretty.
Luna.
There's a lot of this one. Is this one a full ounce?
Yeah,
it's
that's
like a 5 ounce.
That's a 2 ounce.
Oh, this is
That's a 2
That's
ounce.
a 2 ounce. It's really fluffy.
It's almost, merino.
If you look at it, it kind of looks like a slime, almost like when you
Oh,
it kind of does look like slime. Slime out.
It's not. It's more of a
Fuzzy.
bluish green than this one. but it's got blue
Looks
in
like the
it, and a little bit of yellowish kind of like, and it mixed with the green.
That's
You
really
can
pretty
see
bag.
that.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the
That's right.
bag. Yeah, it looks like
Yeah, this one's
snowflakes.
like snowflakes. Mine was green.
Yours, yeah, that pretty.
Yeah. Two
Wow.
green and black ones.
I like this one.
That one's my favorite.
Yeah, that one's my favorite so far, other than the green one. That's
And you get the last one. That's 4 ounces.
Holy
So we're gonna see what that is. And that's called Purple Emperor Multi-Merino.
Oh, and
Oh,
it's a
gee,
purple
there's a
bag.
lot of that one.
Yeah, purple bag.
This
That's
one's
got 4
big.
ounces.
Looks like a snake.
Are they
Well,
all?
they do that for when you're spinning. It helps you spin, and you
Are
can
they
draw it.
all made of snake, like of silk?
Silk, and merino is a
This one.
type of sheep. There's merino sheep.
Oh, like
Are these two silk?
light strands of purple too.
Yeah,
They're both silk.
them are silk. Those are silk, and these are the wool,
I think
merino wool.
These are both solid colors, and like both of those are like mixed colors, kind of. Cause that
Yeah, a
one has,
little
like,
bit.
bluish.
Yeah. Looks like he took the blending board and blended a little bit of this in it, some silk in it. They've probably blended a little bit in that one. A lot of them I get in the mail will have blended. They'll blend the silk. They'll have like 40% silk and 60% wool, and some of them even have with camel in it or things like that with it. And like when you wear socks, a lot of times they'll have silk with the wool. So the heel will be super strong, and it'll be a stronger sock. It'll last longer.
Oh.
So you ever have socks that have holes in the heels right away? Then it's kind of like just made out of
Yeah,
wool or
happens.
I've had
yeah.
socks that have like my toes just randomly
This
poking out.
bag's huge.
But you put silk with it, yeah.
But that's a lot more than this bag. This bag's
Yeah, well they roll it up and they wind it and it
Hopefully
makes
missed
it
a
tighter.
piece.
Yeah. Oh, little piece out. Yeah. Kind of tells you how long a draw it is, how long the wool is. Each piece of wool, type of wool sheep, will have different lengths and different thicknesses.
kind of has like strands of light purple.
This one's thick-ish, like not like thick. But
Yeah, well, it's 4 ounces. And then we get a goodie bag. So let's see what's in our goodie bag.
Tea.
They always give you tea, I know that. So let's see what our pack of tea is this month. And in this one, oh, peppermint, caffeine free.
I've never had peppermint.
There's the tea. Oh, you have it?
Peppermint tea. I've never had peppermint tea.
It helps your stomach. A lot of people that have bad stomachs, they'll drink. My daughter drinks peppermint tea, the other daughter.
I've
But
never.
and then this is Eunice. They always give you a sticker every month, and this is Eunice's sheep, and she's looking at the sky and the little Aurora Borealis.
So
You can
it's
see
like
her
a
looking. See, there's the sticker.
Little likes. You can stick that on like your phone or your cup.
Yeah, or your bags, my crochet bags. Yeah, and look at there. I got me a. How about that?
It's a legit.
It's called a fix-it hook set, and you can like fix a lot of
Like
problems
things
or
if it,
mistakes you
like-
might make. You can just take this and just fix it.
That's cool. So if like you have a blanket or something and it like
Something might be out of whack, and you can take your hook and fix
and
it.
it would like
Yeah.
that one's big, that one's like medium, and that one's like
Yeah, they're different sizes. This is a 4 millimeter. They tell you what the millimeter. This is a 5 millimeter. This must be a 3 millimeter. Yeah, it is. And that looks like a G and a H. You know, there's
those are cool.
different
Handy.
hooks. Yeah, they're handy. You're right. They're handy.
Stick them on your car keys or your like purse.
Yeah, it looks
That
like it's.
thing's cool.
Yeah, that would be neat. Yeah, they're neat. I really like them. They're colorful too.
Yeah.
And
That's
this is a knitting marker, and what a knitting marker does is help keep your place, or crochet marker. Whereas if you have to increase or decrease a stitch or something to shape your garment or whatever it is, it helps you find out where you have to do it. You
Like
just-
where like a certain
yeah,
spot is.
you put it. Yeah, it just goes on the thread in between as you're crocheting along. You can just put this on your needle and just keep going. And then when you come to it in the next row, you know you have to decrease or increase at that spot.
Okay.
That's cool.
Next.
And there's a little, look at there, a little star.
What color is it?
It's kind of like a,
Tealish.
yeah,
It's not. It's
it's like a quartz or something.
It's like white but like clear.
I like it. It's kind of cool looking.
Yeah, it's kind of like a quartz.
Oh,
You
poor
know.
thing's getting stuck to this thing.
Oh yeah, it's Velcro, and it just sticks to everything.
it's
I know.
sticking to this.
Well, gee, girls, thank you for joining me today, and thank you out there. And aren't these pretty? They're awful pretty. And she was pointing out that even in where's that picture? That even in the picture they're showing the purple here and the whoops
The
and the
color.
green. Yeah, you see how they show that in the picture? And then in this picture here in the back, it's the 4 colors. And this is the Aurora Borealis, and it's the December. Oh, it says December 2023.
So it was like from last year?
I think at the beginning I might have said December 2024 because
Yeah, you
this
said
is already
2024.
2024. But this was December 2023, and I was getting a lot of surgery then, and I wasn't able to do
Wait, that
it.
was like a year ago?
Well, it was last December, which is this is
Couple
March.
months.
Yeah, it's only 4 months ago. So, you know.
I didn't pay attention.
Yeah, and I didn't. Yeah, and I couldn't do it then, and you
The
know.
bags inside of it.
And you know, after I get this arm done, I got to get this arm done. So, I'll be laid up a long time, all summer.
Well, hands
So like,
right with
since you did that one's gonna be hard to activate, and plus you'll have to have.
Well, this one will be pretty well healed by next
Yeah, because she
month.
can move it. She was messing with it.
Yeah, I can do little moves now. In therapy, they do more moves, but this one is going to be a much worse. It's going to be a reverse
it's-
rotary cuff, what they call it. It's where they replace all the parts in your shoulder,
What?
all the working parts.
They're gonna like replace them?
Yeah, they
With
replace
what?
them.
What?
Well, materials. I don't know what the materials are made
That's
of,
weird.
but you know, I'll really be laid up then for a while. But hopefully, get it done, get it over with. Well, thank you for joining me today, and thank you girls for joining me and being with me. I like to get your take on stuff, and
You have
that's
tea right here.
yeah. And I like to get your take on things, and you know, you guys come up with some neat things, things I don't even think about. So thank you for joining me, and this is Lena's Needleworks, and happy spinning. Bye. Wait, bye.
Like.
Okay.